Nice. So I just took some nice CBC flip right here, and there was a 2-9. I wanted 20 in VWAP, but I don't know. I saw the CBC flip here. It looked ripe and good, so I just took it. That's really all there is to it. This can kind of chop me up now. I could run off with $130. Here we go. There's my 7 cents that I wanted. Now I'm looking to really scale. The contracts, I'm up 6 cents. I want to run off at 300, which is basically my profit target of 36. We're at this last wick, dangerous. We either cut it or it just bounces and kills me. Maybe I just run off right now. I mean, I was at 7 cents. Those last wicks can be strong, man. Or I could hold for gold. I was also thinking of SPY and going higher. I should have, but I'm always just too scared to trade. It's annoying. But there's a last wick here if we cut this pivot for some liquidity. But here's a bounce, kind of, honestly. Isn't it? I might just run off here with my 200 bucks. I'm scaling if I hit 36. I'm at 34. Here we go. There we go. This is good now. I think I'll just scale here. This is pretty good scale. What the hell? Limit order? That's bullshit. No, I have to cancel now. No. That's bullshit. Whatever though, I guess it's kind of working out. Let's just go by this line, this candlestick. Yep, see ya. I filled there, I scaled. I'm at 238. Might just scale the rest of this. Yeah. $220. Yeah, and I should have, probably bought more. I was at 26 cents, so I risked just like a cent, really. It wasn't much. But dang, it's kind of selling off now more. But, I don't know. I mean, I scaled. I guess I didn't have to scale all out completely, but, I just did. So, whatever. It was a green trade. I mean, I could get back in. I could for sure get back in. Here, let's go to my account. How much? I have 1965 left in cash. Should I get back in? I could. Let's see my scales. I got filled at 26, scaled. I got all out at 33, so 7 cents. So 7 cents. I went from 30 cons, 7 cents. Sold all of it. 30 cons, 7 cents, sold all of it. At 33. Right now, it's 35, which is tilted. Damn it, it's gonna hit my 36. Fuck, man. There's my 300. What a great CBC flip. I don't know, I was just scared of being liquidity. right here, I just, I bitched out, I wanted to scale. They were good scales. But now it's selling off like an MF for 37 now. No, bro. I'm sure it'll dip to 33. I mean, 33 was where I got all out. But now it's up 4 cents, $120 more that I just missed, which is tragic. Here's that bounce though. But still though, those were better scales if I just held all the way through. And then SPY don't even get me started. Yeah, I was literally thinking this CBC flip here on SPY at 1930, that would have been 600 today. Honestly, much better, but since I'm on Chump's money, I can't really do anything. It's really tilting. $38. Do I just run into liquidity? Now there's FOMO now. CBC 29 finally working out for me. I should have gone heavier, I guess, though. There it is, though. There's this squeeze out. But they got to 38. This could also just be a nice little dip there. But I think I should just run off, be all out. I mean, 220 something. Yeah, I saw 26. I wanted 20, but just had to get 26. Sold at 33. Sold at 33 cents. I left another 150 on the table, which is tragic. Because that's a lot of money. That would be that put me at like 360 today. It would be at 360, but well, I guess. Well, I don't know, I just wanted to scale here. I just felt like I should scale, but of course it went higher to 38, dude. Fuck. I should have just held. Got my 360 today. It's honestly a weird thing. Yeah, I need more confidence now. I mean, it's good I took a trade, a win, but like, yeah, dude. I have zero confidence in my trades. Zero, like, I'm just always fearful. You know, I scaled too early. Right, like, dang, this shit's 40 now? Wait, what's up with that? It's dipped down to VWAP at 35 on that squeeze. Yeah, good CBC flip here. Good trade. I want to go on my phone and screenshot it, but I'm locked out, so... fuck? Maybe I run into Nvidia. I was thinking about Nvidia. And I saw this 2.9. That would have been better, honestly. Dang, Nvidia's a goner. Do I run into liquidity or no? No, dude, not after a move like that. This volume's off the charts, though. Wait, this volume's really off the charts. Wait, this volume is really off the charts. Do I re-enter the queues? It just might. Well, it's good that I get a little confidence booster, because I don't really have much confidence these days lately, so it has kind of sucked. There's a dip to that 2.9, an instant hammering down. But I can't get in. Nvidia momentum sell off or what now? Yeah, I should have ran into liquidity like I figured, huh? But I can't do anything. I'm trapped. Kind of sucks. I still have a lot of cash left. I barely use any. I used like, well, I used like $900. What was it? 26 times 30. That's like 700 bucks, right? Yeah, it's like around 700 bucks. 26 times 30. Actually, more like 800 around there, I guess. Yeah, Nvidia's exploding. I knew I should have just ran into liquidity like usual. Spy with the 2.9, but this is so dangerous. I guess I should have done SPY when I saw it. I saw SPY at 18 here, 50. Just yeeted into 64. Way higher than the Qs, honestly. Now the Qs are at 42. When I had 26, fuck, that's 450. This fucking sucks. No, dude, my 600. Let's see how the calls look. Calls aren't too bad right here. Of course you're fighting a trend and shit though. Nvidia, I would imagine it'd bounce. I want to run into liquidity, but I also don't, of course. I mean, check out this squeeze now. That's a big squeeze. I'm sure spying them, yep, have squeezed. Yep. But with that are 20s. CBC is still short. It's a good, rather dip. The Qs never touched that 20, you know, so that's something. The Qs are at 35. Do I get back in? I mean, here's a short candle. I'm just chill. I have to chill. I have to go. I have to protect this and look for a better trade. Maybe intraday. I still have plenty of cash. There's still plenty of time. Nvidia is very enticing. Very enticing Nvidia. Could just run into 95s at 34. This just dipped to 31, already up 3 cents. Mind you, it's like a lot, bro. It's been rejecting off a 9 like all day. There's massive sell-off volume that I've never fucking seen before. This rather maybe does just have momentum. I mean, look at this daily candle. This is scary. This is short. But just watch this bitter step, dude. But it's dangerous. 56 up into 63. Maybe just run and become liquidity here. But no, I think I should just get off my computer and run. I knew I should have gotten in those fucking queues. Dip to 30, back to my 33, 34, 5-ish, whatever, and now it's just... Oh, that's annoying. You know, it'd actually be another, like, I'd be up at like 400 right now if I got back into there to catch those, like I was thinking. Probably just go for a CBC up here. The 220s ought to be really solid. The CBC would flip then. The real CBC short is right here at 119, the seller's ask. Here's Nvidia. I'm not fucking touching it. I'm not touching anything right now. I do not wish to. They will cook me. Oh, I should be up. Tragedy strikes. Tragedy strikes once more. Yeah, I'm getting off. I want to sit here and chat or something, but it's going to get me red if I stay here any longer. Besides, I'll probably never even see this video. Well, oh yeah, so I should be balling on Top Step, but now I'm so pissed off. But because I was pissed off, I was like, dude, fuck it. I'm going to take a Q's trade. I'm going to take a real Weeble trade. And I did, and I won, but I want more. I really do just want more. imagine they rejected 2.9 again? Could you imagine that shit? The Qs. There's some bouncing. Too bad AMD's shit wire. Running to NVIDIA calls now. Yeah, so I'm liking how NVIDIA is down 17% today, which is good so far as that means it has high probability of just ending lower, you know, like it's not, like honestly this, I really don't think this is the bottom for NVIDIA, but I really can't just get into the trade. I sound like Maple. Here we go, they're attacking this, yeah, I knew I should have ran in. 29. So there's a CBC, it's still short. Ask again is 119.14. There's that 2.9. I wouldn't imagine them to reject again. That'd be just psycho. They could do it. They could absolutely do it though. You know what wouldn't be bad again is these. I had them to show you. This 10, these 10 cents here. These could turn. You know what, my Qs are, they're still higher, bro. They're still higher. They're still at 37. Man, if I just held 3 more cents. CBC's starting to flip, honestly. I would say CBC is starting to flip. Strong focus on what I want. I guess I should have just ran to liquidity, like, which. Oh, this was tragic. I mean, I should be happy. I'm green $200, you know? It's money, but like... Yeah, there's that John. I was looking at 44, could have ran into 58, 9, 58. Looking at... Let's look outside. Looking at 150 right there. Rather a CBC flip, isn't it? Thing is though, I still don't see them. I still see NVIDIA probably ending lower maybe, but you have to trade candle by candle. Can't be biased. NVIDIA is coming after this 20, which is very strong. That would be a very strong level. Imagine these squeeze. Oh yes. Yes, big squeeze. Oh man, look at those Qs. Oh my dick. Yeah, and so these exploded to 26 cents. This is eating. I like a VWAP for a scalp rejection, honestly, though, low key. Wow, look at that, dude. NVIDIA still running to that 20. There's that 20. It's a really sharp bounce though, and the CBC just flipped bullish, so it's a bit scary to just gamble on in, looking for something. AMD's gay. The Qs. Hey, they bounced off of 25. But I don't think I'm really looking to just get in anything. That was too bullish of a squeeze. It's 8:50 a.m. Oh, I missed out, dude. I always miss stuff on the table, but I can't be mad about it. There's like kind of a rejection right now. Like how sharp this bounces, though. I have to admit that. Oh, I should have just held till 300. But I didn't. But I did. Well, I got more buying power. 200, right? Shit. I think I'm gonna go back to bed. Whatever, you know, I made it up because I got so tilted on Top Step. Because I'm locked out, I should be like freaking. I should have finished my combine by now and already have my XFAs ready to go by like freaking Thursday this week or something. It's Monday or Wednesday really, but whatever. I didn't get it because some bullshit ass lockout fiasco bullshit that really pissed me off yesterday, super bad. And then it was price action like this selling off, but I got locked out, so I couldn't trade it. And dude, I was so pissed off. And so literally that night, yesterday night, I was literally like, dude, I'm gonna go crazy in the market tomorrow. I'm gonna take a trade, take the risk, make some money. Like, dude, fuck it, I'm so pissed. I'm not letting this happen. I'm gonna use this for good. Like, just be better. And well, you know, I did do that. I did. You know, I did because I'm green, $200. Okay, it should be 300, 400, right? But I just wanted to scale. You know, I just had to scale around here. You know, I got the pivot break I wanted. We were down here. You know, I just had to scale. But of course, I left one on the table. Now it's just rather choppy. Nvidia is kind of just, it's bouncing up. You know, CBC certainly flipped. There's that Pierce. I would kind of look for VWAP projection, honestly, for Nvidia. Wouldn't be so bad unless they yank crank. But again, I'm gonna just take a break here. This might just be it for today, or maybe I just keep the stream on. I don't know. Because so many things can go wrong, dude. I've been through this so many times before. Like, I'm angry. I'm still angry. I want 400. I want 400. I want 400. I want 600. I want more, more, more. Greed, greed, greed. But, you know, being greedy, wanting more, it cooks you, you know, sometimes, a lot of times, right? Yeah, I mean, look at Nvidia, right? Well, we're short here. Look what happened to them. They got fucking raped. They got raped. I was looking for long, too, right? They got absolutely raped out there. You know, even for the Qs too. The short here, once you miss that move and you try to get in the short, you just get fucking chopped, squeezed. You know, you got to get in and get out and run off. That's how trading works. Whatever. Then I'm happy. You know, I missed out on my Top Step money, but I got cold hard cash made today. You know, really, it's 200, you know, which is still annoying, but. Whatever, $200 is $200, dude. You know, fuck. It's money, okay? But damn it, I want my 300. I want my 400 that I had. Right, we'll look at it. Qs, right? I got filled at 26 right here. Oh yeah, it dipped down back to 26. Now it's actually bouncing to 30. But anyways, yeah, I got filled at 26. I scaled all out, all 30 of them at 33 for 7 cents for my 200 green. But of course it wicked to freaking 42, and that was an extra 6 cents, another $200, which would be my pretty much 360, 340, 360, 400 green, right? 360 green versus 200 green. That's like a big deal, honestly. But you know, whatever. I can't do much. It's, you know, it's done. It's gone. Done with. But yeah, great CBC. The case study, I guess a quick case study. Why did I take it? CBC here. CBC slipped short. This 10 bounced. There's a 2.9, right? I wanted a 20 in VWAP, but I was like, let me just get in the 2.9. The CBC it looks so primed and good right here, this CBC. So I was just like, dude, let me just get in. Just risk it, just get in. and it paid 26 to my 33, and I scaled out right here. I got here to here, and I just decided to scale out, and now bearish engulfing. You know, so I just took it. I took it this 2.9. It was this 2.9 risk, CBC risk. 30 cons at low 26 cents because I'm so scared because I can't trade on my own money. It's Jason's money, so I'm tilted. So I can't. I have to go tiny. If I went higher, right, like I should have, right? If I went higher, like I should have, right here, you know, at 818, right? I should have gotten 60. Dude, that would have been 600. It would have been 600 today, right? At 60, 600. But I'm so scared because it's Jason's money, so I can't do anything. Of course, this fucking bounced up to all hell. I imagine Nvidia had a bearish engulfing. Kind of. Oh yeah, actually, bounce off of VWAP. Just bounced off of VWAP. Yeah, these got hammered. That doesn't mean this is about to flip bearish though. Again, I can't get into anything. I can't get into anything or really do much of anything. Well, I mean, I can. Again, I can run into the Q's liquidity at 42 right now. Damn, right, it dipped perfectly back to my John, dude. 26. I guess I should have ran back in, but I mean, look at this candle, dude. Fuck that, right? This is a yank and crank getting short down, but fuck that candle, dude. I mean, this candlestick, like to short that is just really tough. But now this just yeets back up to 40. It was 52. Like, boy, what the hell, boy? SPY 2. I was looking at SPY 818s here at 50. Imagine I got 50 just to 65 is 450. That's enough, right? That was enough. On my scale out too. That would have been 450, and then, you know, just a lot, so much better, dude. So much better. So I'm still mad, honestly, but like, fuck. And I'm still mad. And now look at how liquid, look how deadly the Qs look, dude. Just to fucking die. Low of days right here, too. This is quite the CBC flip, though, I'll tell you that much. We could go back onto the 2.9 here for a short. It wouldn't be that bad. Yeah, maybe re-enter these, right here. Q's just dropped to 38. Honestly, yeah, not too bad. Like this 20 here. Or actually, I don't know. That's kind of, wait. That's a little bullish engulfing though, actually. Here it is, 33. I kind of want to get back in at my 33, my original John. But this is a little cucked. I mean, look at this candlestick, dude. That's shit on. Nvidia. Yep, CBC's flipped. CBC flipped. Wow, great buy, 61, 67s. Fuck. I was looking at that. It was a great dip, dude. Great dip. Yeah, my things. There's also a 200 over there on SPY. Fuck, 50. Fuck me. The Q's still at 34, but I just don't like it. Just can't. I want this to say. I want to say that this is gonna die. It might just be over though. I mean, it's Monday, you know. It is Monday. How's Rigatoni doing? Give me Rigatoni. Apple's not bad. I was looking at it for a second, believe it or not, but that ticker is still fucking cursed. Fuck that ticker. The ticker go to hell. Rigatoni's still high. I'm tragic because I made a long the other day on it. It was pretty good. Qs are at that 34. There's this 20. Damn, dog. This wick's at 33, huh? No, 34? Yeah, no, it's 34. 34, it's at 37 now. I mean, trade the chart in front of you. This chart in front of me is choppy. I'm short biased that this is gonna cut and sell off right now. This popped up. This is gonna cut, sell off, but I can't predict. And right now it's so choppy. But yeah, it's doing that. It's selling off. I can get into liquidity at 39 cents right now for those Qs puts. Right? I still have plenty of cash. Nvidia is back looking kind of more bullish still even. Yeah, I mean, Qs technically have rejected this 20. They rejected this 20 now. It's just in a really gay way. It'll probably be the top rejection, probably somewhere around this 907 candlestick, I bet. Probably around 907 type shit. Great dip at 34 though, that's 150. I was looking to get in, you guys saw me, but this candlestick was a bit scary, wasn't it? I'm tilted, always so tilted, always so tilted, always so tilted, always so tilted. Oh jeez, is this it? No. You see that? It's time for some premium burn. CBC is higher up here, 514.02. Here we go. Here we go. Mr. K. Here we go. Yeah, look at this premium burn, dude. It's just awful. That's awful for them to just do this to us, man. I don't know what to do. But how many times has this punished me, man? I want more. I want more. I don't want no 220, 200, bro. I want another 200. I want another 7 cents. I want these Qs. But look how choppy it is. They won't let me. You are at the mercy of the market, you know? I want the market to move right now, but it's not whether I want it to, it's if it just does or not. I have zero control over moving the market. Zero. Absolutely zero. I have absolutely zero control. AMD is short. Video with that bounce. These aren't moving though. What the hell? The Qs. They're still short. I wonder if they keep the seller's ask here at 514. Qs have been dancing around 30s and 40s here on these contracts forever. I guess I should have gotten 26, huh? 26. Would have been a nice 4-cent scalp. And I would have really actually been happy for today for sure. Here we go, back to 33, 32, 31s. They're attacking the seller's ask. This could be a pretty solid CBC dip. Also, we could watch out for VWAP as well. We could see an intraday VWAP sell-off, though it's not as likely. I like Nvidia's better. I could see Nvidia selling off. Nvidia, when it gets to VWAP right now, honestly, it's either going to VWAP squeeze or it's going to reject and maybe probably sell off like the rest of the day at VWAP, honestly, pretty really nicely. It wouldn't be bad to throw low cent lottos in at VWAP. Or it just VWAP squeezes, but I don't know. Nobody knows. Those Qs, they look good. They kind of do, man. But they're attacking though. The CBC is flipping bullish. They're right at the seller's ask. They're piercing it. They're piercing it. And there's last wick here. VWAP is up there. They're piercing bullish. These are falling to 29. The Q's here. 55. When it was scary, right? 71 to Wow. Well, that was a pretty good trade. I can't even afford it right now though, but yeah, video CBC flip cross and up, and then another chance here. 63. They finally move now. 6 cents. It's up and near, out, around, and about at VWAPs. The Qs. The Qs here. They're at 28, 29, but fuck that. So they're still under the CBC short technically, but this is gonna flip long in 6 more minutes. This will be a CBC flip to be long. Great CBC though, short right here. This was my CBC short right here. Right here, you see that? Textbook CBC short. And then also I also was against this 20. There's a 10-20 and I was just like, it cuts that, you know? I'm sure it does, type shit. So I got in. But I shouldn't have got in, no, 26 cents at 818. I should have got in, you know, over here. I should have got in at, you know, what was it, 82. Should have got in at 82, yeah, should have got in 82. If I just got in 82, I would have seen, you know, that insta freaking, this is 86, 86. 80, sure, 80. I would have seen $1,000. Could you believe that shit? And there's a rejection. Qs are holding. Qs just held seller's ask on the CBC just now. And also just bounced, of course, as well. From, what was it, 28? Yep, 34. Well, damn it. Definitely was looking at the video, right? 55. Could have easily got, you know, again, yeah, my 200 there today. Well, that's a short. The CBC is still short. They still shorted this here CBC. Like, we just can't get into this fucking data burn, bro. I mean, you saw what happened there at 904. Remember I said at 907 they were gonna reject. Pretty sure this might just be it here at 36. Maybe I just run in here. Oh jeez. Do I run in? Oh shit. Well, CBC, next CBC is here at 13.19. The twos are rejecting technically, I think. Well, I'm sure. The calls look kind of still pretty solid. I should have rejected CBC to be higher. I really want to get in. I mean, they could just be baiting everybody. $36, $37, $38. Maybe I just psycho lottos. Nah. I run into 38s. What's Nvidia doing? Dip. This might be it. This might be the short dip here for Nvidia. Just might be. This thing's dog water. The Qs. I still want a wick here. There's the wick. Is pretty solid, or 34 here. Did I get into 36? Oh, it just jumped. They jumped. Yep. Look at that CBC. You see that CBC? You see that shit? See that CBC wick that I said I wanted and I got it? And now it's just fucking exploding. We all just want to run in, don't we? But if I were to just run into 40 and I wick to 36, that would be 120. Dude, that fucking rapes me. Rapes my profit. Rape. I need to get in on a dip there at 36. Sometimes being liquidity is a good idea. Damn, check this out. We're just gonna let it sell off, I guess. Or maybe I could get into some teens. Look at, there's these teens here. 19. I mean, what the hell? This is good. 50? Actually, no. Actually, never mind. Well, it's still good, yeah. 19. It's actually not bad. Still, I do like these 500s. Here we go, though. There's that bounce. Rip. Mega rip. What does SPY say? SPY is actually more of a coil here. Good thing I didn't run, huh? But now it's even cheaper for me. let's just run off or have breakfast and we'll just come back after breakfast. I'll see you in a bit.
menu options have changed. If you know your party's extension, press 1 now.
Para continuar esta llamada en español, presione 8.
Please enter your account number or your 16-digit card number, or press 1 to proceed to the main menu. The account number you entered is not valid. Please enter your account number or your 16-digit. Press 1 for Money Talks Bank by phone system. There are 8 callers ahead of you at this time. Press 1 to. Thank you for choosing Altura Credit Union. Press 1 now.
Para continuar esta llamada en español, presione 8.
Please enter your account. The account number you. Thank you for choosing Altura Credit Union. Your call may be recorded for quality assurance. Please listen carefully as our menu options have changed. If you know your party's extension, press 1 now.
Para continuar.
If you know your party's extension, enter it now or press 1 to dial by name. Thank you for choosing Altura Credit Union. Your call may be recorded for quality assurance. Please enter your account number or your 16-digit card number, or press 1 to proceed to the main menu. This call may be recorded for training purposes.
Altura Credit Union. I am Vinny. How may we assist you?
Hi, my name's Jacob De La Torre. I'm calling in regards about a signature personal loan. An offer had been countered, it said, and I was just calling this number. It said to call about the details.
Sure. Sir, let's have your Altura application number, or I can use your social security number as well.
My social is 608-190724.
Thank you, sir. May I take your first and last name, please?
Jacob De La Torre.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I do see that there is a counter offer available, and that's for $1,200. And let's see, there's a stipulation. The underwriting says that of the $1,200, a portion has to go to pay off your existing Altura personal loan that you have with us already, and the rest can be given out to you. So I'm seeing the balance is like 1,059. So that's actually the principal balance. So like I can find out what could be the amount that you're able to get the rest. One second. If let's say we do your loan today, from 1,200, they say 1,067 goes towards the existing loan, and the rest cash out you can receive is $133 for you. Please let us know if that is acceptable.
Um, Sorry, could you say that again?
Yep. The underwriting says they're willing to approve a loan maximum of $1,200 with the stipulation that from the $1,200, 133 will go to you, and then the rest has to go towards the existing loan that you have with us, sir.
Oh, so basically, the cash that I receive is I get basically the advance is $100.
133 to be precise, yeah.
Okay. And then the rest of that thousand that just goes straight to the one I'm personally already paying off.
Right, sir, right, sir.
And then with this
If you
hundred,
want, I can
uh-huh.
continue.
And then so if I were to do this personal loan, I guess then I would get this $100, and so my previous loan of that 2,500 of that $1,000 balance left that I have, that would be paid off completely, correct?
That's right. So you'll have a new loan for a $1,200 payment, loan amount.
And then this loan amount, when I get this $100, what am I paying back? I'm not paying anything back from that 1,200, right? Because I just used it to pay off my other balance, right? So I don't have any interest. It's just the $100.
No, you will accrue interest. The new interest rate is 16.49%. That will be the new interest rate for the full loan of 1,200, and your term for 1 year I see is a payment of $111 every month.
Okay. Um. Okay then. And so yeah, for me, yeah, I don't think this offer is really worth it. It doesn't, I get an advance of like $100 max, correct? That's really all that there is to offer, right?
Sure, but my point was I can have it reviewed again. What amount will satisfy your need?
I guess I would be looking for 2,500 or 3,000 if that could be reviewed again. I remember the last time I got approved or countered, I was for 2,500, which I am currently paying off, the 1,000. And then for this one to be 1,200, and then they want to stipulate it for just 1,000, I don't get anything, so it's the $100 advance, and then just a new interest rate is certainly not worth it. So like you said, if you can maybe have them review. I know they're like really cutthroat about it though, like no, but yeah, I would not be able to accept this offer at all for just $100 and then more interest. Yeah, it would be not worth it even at all. So yeah, could you have that reviewed or?
Yeah, why not, sir? And we will notify loan officer Tiffany to also connect back with you. Please give us until 11:30 for a follow-up, and let's hope for the best.
Okay, sounds good. So I guess do you ask to put in my number would be 2,500 or 3,000 or at least like in 1,000 or 2,000 cash advance? I guess is what I'm trying to shoot for, right? 2,500 or.
Sure. Let me back up a little. So you want total of 2,500 or 3,000, not 2,500 in addition to the balance that you have. Is that correct?
Um, I'm sorry. I'm also lost here. Yeah,
That's
I'm
all right.
confused.
That's all right.
Um,
So you want in your pocket $1,200 in addition to the $1,000 or the 1,066 that you currently are paying, correct, sir?
um, yeah, I guess if we could do that or more, yeah, if possible. Um, Basically, yeah, the take home in my pocket of the cash advance would be, at least 1,000 or more, maybe 2,000. Just like the last personal loan, I thought it would be like the last personal loan where I'd take it And there wasn't going to be any stipulation, but I guess they want stipulation now. Um, but yeah, if you could just input that I would want to take home of at least 1,000 or 2,000 would be good because I've already ran my credit. My credit's already been hurt, so I might as well try to get the best deal that I can instead of just not getting anything. But I also don't want.
No worries. So,
So yeah, I guess asking for $2,500 to take home or $1,000 to take home cash, or yeah, like you said, that extra $1,000 or $1,200 to actually take home with even paying off the other simulation balance. But you said the take home for me was $100, right, or 133. If that take home could be 1,000 or 2,000, then it would be worth it for me to take. So yeah, if you could do that, would be great.
perfect. So let's hope for the best.
Okay.
We'll definitely keep you notified. But let's give it until 11:30.
11:30. Okay.
Meanwhile, any other? Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Okay. All right then. So I'll expect a call or email.
Both actually. Your loan officer is notified. If you like the phone number to call to check, I can also share that with you.
Yeah, sure. If you could do that.
Yeah, it's 951 area code
Uh huh.
571
Mhm.
5205.
Uh huh. So 951-571-5205.
That's it.
Okay. Alrighty. Thank you so much. To be able to review it. Hope for the best, and I'll wait for 11:30. Okay.
Awesome, sir.
Right.
Thank you for the opportunity, and thank you so much for your patience.
Thank you
Wish
so
a
much.
wonderful morning.
Thank you so much too. Bye. Well, I think that could be it for this here stream. Um, I'll see you guys in the next one. Solid Green Day. See you in the next one.